Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick demo of how the RFGrid sequencer application works. I've got it already loaded up here. You can see that all of the tags that are programmed into this game have their IDs and associated images and sound effects already pre-configured. That could be done through the tag creator if you want to scan in tags. But this is already set up, so I'll just show you how this particular application works. So I'll launch it by clicking here. And that will load up the grid. It's first starting to talk to the Arduino because the Arduino has to figure out how many readers are attached to it. That's why there's a slight delay while initializing. Okay, now it's ready to go. So there are some basic controls here. You can use any old RFID tag to change the beats per minute. So this would be the tempo of the actual loop. And if I want to pause it, or play back, I can use anything, and you can see now it's playing through. I can use any old tag I want to, like this will change the master volume, but you notice it's not making any sound. So if I pause it right now, let's bring it back down to say 80. I can use any of these tags, and these should be programmed to certain instruments. I can't quite remember what they are right now. So we got some hi-hats, a little kick, or sorry, that's a tom. And so these are just samples from was it Roland 808 drum kit. So I've got a smattering of different tags put on this sequencer. So I can just hit play, and then it'll loop through at the current tempo. So if I move these around, even while it's playing, it's fine. It'll just redraw them where they need to go. I can put more things on while it's playing. Seems like I got. Alright, so that's good. And then I can slow down the tempo if I want, or increase it. And I can increase the volume. I'm going to bring it down just so it can be heard. Anyway, so that's basically how it works. So you can pretty much you can set any image that you'd like. I did all of the tag images that you're seeing down here. Those are all just done in a pixel art drawing application. So I made every single thing that you see on screen here, which took a long time. It almost took longer to do that than to actually program this. So anyway, I can hit pause and at any time, and it'll go back. I can resume playback whenever I want. So that's basically just a use case for the actual RFGrid device. So, hope you enjoyed.